The Tech Fixr will show you how to delete a single Instagram photo from a post or a carousel. So if you uploaded a bunch of photos in one post and now you are wondering how to delete a single photo from the post, you can do it in just a few clicks. So first of all, open the post and then tap on this three dot at the top right. Tap on edit and search for the photo you want to delete, and you will get this delete icon at the top left. So tap on it, tap on delete, and the photo will be deleted, and then tap on done to update the post. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe the Tech Fixr. See you in the next video.